how to create VM on VirtualBox, latest VirtualBox 7.0. So let's go to a screen without any further ado. So let me show you how you can create virtual machine. So guys, now we are on a screen right now. So let's get started. So as you can see, now you have to just change your installation path. So you just need to create a new folder where you want to install. So right now, so we need a Windows Server 2022. So we name the folder right Windows Server 2022 and just give the path. So this is the new look for the Oracle VM box. So and now you need to select your ISO file. You need to give your ISO file. So just simply select your installation Windows ISO file and make sure you need to check the unattended installation and hit next. So and you need to enter your VM name. So hit next. Yeah, Windows Server 2022. And you need to check the and then hit next and you need to select your requirement system hardware. You already know about that. It's so at least we need 4 GB of RAM, 4 gigs of RAM, and you at least you need a dual core or two core of processor. Here we need here we select Core i3. So hit next. So you need to select your disk size. You need to Windows size. So right now we are selecting 40 gigs of hard drive and hit next. You need to select the path where you want to install. So hit next. Now you need to just finish. So simple. These are the simple steps. You can import or install a new installation on your Windows on your VirtualBox. So now you need to boot your machine, but first you need to make sure everything is set up correctly. So you need to select the live boot up icon. So now you need to install your Windows machine. So now it's booting up. So this is a simple method you already know, but if you don't know, then this video will be helpful for you guys. So now the Windows is booting. That's further on the steps are similar that as you can install your Windows or any operating system. So hope you guys like this video. So if you like this video, so please give the thumbs up and do share with your friends. So if you wanna watch more videos on VirtualBox, you can find on I button and you can also watch Windows Server 2012 and complete course in my playlist. So see you guys in next video.